start with a slip knot. And chain 42. This measures around 7.5 inches. Next round, one single crochet in the second chain from the hook, this one, and one single crochet in each and every stitch. Once you reach the end, chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, one single crochet in the first stitch. Skip the next stitch and the next stitch make a puff stitch. To make a puff stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now do this 2 more times. Total you should have 7 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all the loops and chain 1. That's one puff stitch made. Now skip the next stitch and in the next stitch make a puff stitch. Now repeat this, skip one and in the next stitch make a puff stitch. At the end you should have 2 stitches left. Skip the next stitch and in the last stitch make a single crochet. Chain 1 and turn your work. Next round, one single crochet in this first stitch. Skip the next puff stitch and in the next stitch, that is in between these 2 stitches, make one puff stitch here. Skip the next one and in the next stitch make one puff stitch. Now repeat this all around. Make one puff stitch in between these puff stitches. In the last stitch, make one single crochet, chain 1 and turn your work. Now keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. Start each round with one single crochet in the first stitch. Skip the next stitch and in between these 2 stitches make one puff stitch. Keep repeating this. This is how the pattern will look. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.